guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be making a flower petal wreath using tulle, and I've got the pink and the white, and it is matte, and I picked it up at Walmart and it is around $2. You are also going to need a splatter screen, and I picked this one up at Dollar Tree, and I will be removing this little knob right here. Just have to take the screw out. You are going to need some pipe cleaners, and I will be cutting the pipe cleaners in thirds. And you'll also need some scissors for this wreath. And I will probably add a few things as I go along. So I will, in the drop-down box, I'll add the materials list for you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, I'm going to take my white tulle and I'm going to thread it through this little center hole. And you can start with whatever color you want, but the white's going to be my center color. So I'm just threading it through just a little bit, and then I am going to take my pipe cleaners that I've cut in thirds. I'm going to thread it through, and I believe my pipe cleaners came from Walmart. Thread it through just like that. And I should have bought white or pink pipe cleaners, but I forgot to, so I'm using purple. But you're just going to secure the tulle to the splatter screen, give it a few twists, and push it down. Okay, now you're ready to start working on the center part of your flower. And this is kind of like how we do our Deco Mesh. I'm just going to be making loops, rolling my outer edges kind of inward. And I'm just going to, these are a lot tinier, smaller loops that you can kind of see, and you're going to have to do a lot of them for it to show up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make my little loops or puffs, whatever you want to call them, and secure them to the splatter screen. You're going to want to put your little poofs or puffs close together, so you're going to want to squeeze it in nice and tight so it's nice and full. So just keep making the little loops until you get the center the size you like and as full as you like. And I just did not cut my tulle until the very end when I was finished using it. So just keep making your little puffs and then straighten them out so that they're fluffy. And you could spray paint your splatter screen before you start if you would like to. But just fluff your little loops. And then as I went toward the outer edge of the circle, I made the loops a little bit bigger, kind of like a flower shape. If you can see, the petals kind of look a little bit bigger, even though these get pushed up and you really don't notice the center that much. You know, I just like the way it looks, and it's full, and I know it's there. So just keep making your little loops until you get the center as full as you like. And if you have the same color pipe cleaners as your tulle, I think it looks better, but like I said, I forgot to buy any, so I just went with this. You'll also need some 21-inch Deco Mesh. You'll need some little pom-poms. You'll need your hot glue gun, glue stick, and your ruler. I forgot to mention those things, but I will also add them to the drop-down box, and I'll write out a materials list. Okay, and you're just going to, on your second color of tulle, walk your fingers up it until you get a little bundle. And probably about 24 to 36 inches is what my daughter did right here. I would guess closer to 36 inches. So she just made her little bundle or bow tie, whatever you want to call it, and she's going to take her pipe cleaner and she's going to wrap it tightly around the center of her pink tulle. Give it a few twists. And then you're just going to take the pink tulle and you're going to push it in close to the white tulle to make it nice and full and fluffy. And I will count for you. I will try to do, now I may not get an exact count, but I will do my best to count to let you know how many bundles you will need, and I'll put that in the materials list. But you'll just want to make sure that you get it full so that you can't see your splatter screen when you're finished. And so I think that's about all of the white and pink tulle that I'm going to use for this one. And I'm ready for my 21-inch Deco Mesh. And I believe I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby when it was half price. If not, you can use a 40% off coupon usually. And like I said, this is the 21-inch Deco Mesh. And I just cut it into about 12-inch strips. You don't have to be perfect or anything like that. Just roughly 12 inches is what I did. You could use the 10 or 12-inch Deco Mesh instead of the 21-inch if you wanted to. And for the Deco Mesh, you're just going to gather it in the center, pinch it tightly in your hand, and give it a twist. Fold it over and squeeze it tightly. And you're going to take that little bundle and you're going to want to, from the back to the front, thread a full-length pipe cleaner facing the ceiling, and you're going to take your little Deco Mesh bundle and twist it tightly into the pipe cleaner. Now you'll want to put 2 bundles on each pipe cleaner so that it's nice and full. Now if you're using 10 or 12 inch, you might do 3 bundles. And here's the little pom-poms I was talking about. And I just took, when I got finished, I just took the little pipe cleaners and braided them kind of in a, or twisted them in a circle all the way around the center of the flower, and then I hot glued the little pom-poms on every so many inches. And then I just kind of fluffed the tool and just kind of made sure it was all shaped like I like. And here it is, guys. It was very simple, and I think it turned out real pretty, and it's really fluffy, and you could do it with any colors for any season. So let me know what you think, guys. And I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and please like and share. And thank you so much again for watching and subscribing.